Welcome back to Bikereview Pro, your home for the most comprehensive motorcycle analysis in the industry. If you're looking for your next adventure motorcycle, the 2026 market is more competitive than ever. We've seen a massive surge in innovation, blending extreme off-road capability with long-distance touring comfort. In this video, we break down the 5 most impressive adventure bikes that are dominating the scene this year, focusing on their real-world performance and technical pedigree. Point 1. Honda CRF 1100L Africa Twin. The heavyweight king, the Africa Twin, remains the gold standard for riders who need a balance of comfort and raw capability. Its 1084cc parallel twin engine produces approximately 101 horsepower, providing smooth, consistent torque across a wide RPM range. Whether you choose the standard manual or the iconic DCT, dual-clutch transmission, the Africa Twin is engineered to reduce rider fatigue, making it perfect for long-distance expedition riding. It's reliable, robust, and feels far more manageable off-road than many of its heavier competitors. 2. KTM 890 Adventure R. The rally weapon for those who prioritize technical precision and off-road agility, the KTM 890 Adventure R is in a league of its own. It is widely considered the benchmark for middleweight technical adventure bikes. With its 889cc parallel twin engine putting out 103 horsepower and its highly adjustable WP suspension, it thrives in the most challenging terrain. It's lightweight, responsive, and features a low-slung fuel tank that keeps the center of gravity low, allowing for effortless maneuvering through desert dunes or tight, technical single-track trails. 3. BMW F 450 GS. The new accessible icon, the F 450 GS, has arrived as one of the most exciting additions to the 2026 lineup, offering a new entry point into the premium adventure world. It is designed to be highly accessible for riders of all skill levels while maintaining the classic BMW build quality. With a lighter chassis and a punchy 420cc engine, it provides enough power for weekend adventures without the intimidating weight of a full-size GS. It's the perfect blend of modern rider aids and true dual sport spirit, making it an instant icon for those who want to explore without the physical burden of a heavyweight machine. Point 4. CFMoto Ibex 450. The ultimate value champion CFMoto continues to disrupt the market with the Ibex 450, a bike that proves you don't need to break the bank to get a highly capable adventure machine. This bike is an incredible value champion, offering features that are usually reserved for much more expensive motorcycles. It's remarkably agile, lightweight, and purpose-built for riders who want to tackle off-road trails with confidence. The Ibex 450 has quickly gained a reputation for being an indestructible, go-anywhere companion that handles rough terrain with surprising composure. Point 5. Aprilia Tuareg 660. The balance athlete rounding out our top 5 is the Aprilia Tuareg 660, a bike that masterfully balances performance, comfort, and advanced technology. Powering this machine is a proven 270-degree twin engine that produces 80 horsepower and 51.6 pound-feet of torque. What sets the Tuareg apart is its APRC electronic suite, which is tuned specifically for off-road excellence. It feels like a dedicated rally athlete on the dirt, yet it provides the high-speed stability and comfort needed for long, multi-day tours. It is truly the balanced athlete of the 2026 middleweight class. Which one is right for you? Choosing the right adventure bike depends entirely on your riding style. If you want a long-distance tour that can handle dirt, the Africa Twin is your best bet. If you crave technical off-road performance, the KTM 890 Adventure R is hard to beat. For accessibility and smart tech, look no further than the BMW F 450 GS. If value is your priority, the CFMoto Ibex 450 is the clear winner. And if you want a perfect all-around athlete, the Aprilia Tuareg 660 is the bike to beat. Which one of these machines would you choose for your next big expedition? Let us know in the comments below.